Well, here she is in all her glory on a jack stand once again. Gonna do some more maintenance as usual. Here you can see I got some oil. Get out of here, dog. Sprayed some parts. Gonna be doing this. I think this one's the idler arm. This is the steering damper, and this one over here is the pitman arm. I'm gonna replace those three, and then I have some wheel bearings in the front here to replace, and then we'll see how loose the other stuff is. Yeah. Also up here I'm getting ready to wire in a sub and then some accessories. So I got this fuse block, and then I have these little lights mounted here to try them out. But yeah, so we'll get those in. Then we'll just move this out of the way. Oh shoot, the lights are off. And then a few other things I'm gonna deal with here. I added this switch panel here. It's not wired or anything, so we'll be playing around with that. And then I have some new speakers around, all that fun stuff. Then as well, I need to finish up some little things. I gotta put in this windshield washer fluid bottle underneath over there, just so I have one, because I had to delete it with this thing right here. Finish up the wiring. It's kind of just all over the place right now. I have some door pins to finish, and then a bunch of shit over here. These are my bumper pieces to raise it from the body lift. This is my e-brake lever. I don't have a rad, whatever the fuck that thing is. Oh, straw. Got the smog pump deleted, and then I just capped off the two pieces going to the header right now. Got some angle iron ready for a winch plate. Oh, what else? Yeah, so just a lot of little things to be finished. And then as well, I got to put in a new fuel pump, which is over here, right there. There's just a ton of little stupid things I gotta do at this point, just for like peace of mind's sake.